cracking, y'all? This week we getting crazy scared with At the Mountains of Madness by H.P. Lovecraft. William Dyer about to shit a brick, man. Fool hear a bunch of scientists bouncing over to Antarctica, even though he told them they best not. And now Dyer gonna give us the lowdown on the crazy things he saw over there that left skid marks in his tidy whities. A while back, Billy D led a crew called the Miskatonic University Expedition to a shady part of cold-as-a-bitch Antarctica. A smaller gang led by his homie Lake go on ahead and scoped out some tripped-out fossils hidden in a swole mountain range. And these bad boys way too old to be so evolved. When Dyer and his posse don't hear from Lake, they swang over to a spot to see what's what. Turns out, most of the hoods in Lake's clique dead. Not only that, but some of them alien fossils done pieced out too. So Dyer and his boy Danforth get up on that G4 and flow over to the mountains when they realize, hold up, these ain't just mountains, these be walls hiding an ancient alien city. Oh, snap. And since Dyer and Danforth got a hard-on for learning, they drop down to check them freaky streets. Fools peep some ancient murals laying down the raw truth about them fossils, which actually be called elder things. Back in the day, these elder things landed their crusty asses on the planet and created life on Earth. To help them trick out the streets they living in, these cats create some G'd up hustlers called shoggoths, who later stopped taking orders and straight wrecked them elder players. But things got even more cray for the elder things, cause the murals also jiving about some epic, gnarly monster chilling in the mountains past the city. Later, when our boys crawling through a dank tunnel they find in the city, a big fugly shoggoth gets all in their grills and our boys be like, oh shit, break yourself, and bust ass out of there. Back in the jet, Danforth looks down past the mountains and sees something so damn cray that his mind immediately goes to shit. Back home with both his nuts intact, Dyer say, look son, them scientists best check themselves before deciding to go to Antarctica, cause those mountains ain't hiding nothing but madness. Know what I mean? One thing you guys to know about Lovecraft's flow is that he always slinging mad adjectives in his texts to create that atmosphere of horror. Check it. That seething half-luminous cloud background held ineffable suggestions of a vague, ethereal beyondness far more than terrestrially spatial, and gave appalling reminders of the utter remoteness, separateness, desolation, and aeon-long death of this untrodden and unfathomed austral world. That's double-digit adjectives in one damn sentence, man. See, Lovecraft ain't interested in just laying down the plot. Nah, blood, setting the mood is way more important. After all, every player know you gotta warm the oven before you slide into meat. Lovecraft, know what I mean? As scurry as things be, Lovecraft keeps ramping it up. Every time we meet some scary-ass alien, old HP drops an even creepier alien on our asses. Then eventually, he starts jiving about the ultimate badass beastie that makes all the other aliens shit their pants. Relentless. And the scariest things about the elder things, shoggoths, and the ultimate badass is that human knowledge can't make a damn bit of sense of them. Check out how Billy D talks about them shoggoths. It was a terrible, indescribable thing, vaster than any subway train. A shapeless congeries of protoplasmic bubbles, faintly self-luminous, and with myriads of temporary eyes forming and unforming as pustules of greenish light all over the tunnel-filling front that bore down upon us. See, man always trying to categorize things in order to understand them, but there's some things that ain't no amount of reasoning can make sense of. And that's freaky as hell to think about, man. But despite that, the scientists, the aliens, and even the reader don't quit when they faced with the whack-ass unknown like a dope fiend. Just a little taste of curiosity ain't enough. Nah, the more curious they get, the more they jonesing for a bigger hit. And maybe that's the scariest thing of all. We all gonna keep pushing forward toward the unknown, even when the consequences can mess shit up. For real. But I think I can detect something of the same spirit, albeit in a less extreme form, in the men who stalk deadly beasts through African jungles to photograph them or study their habits. Half paralyzed with terror though we were, there was nevertheless fanned within us a blazing flame of awe and curiosity which triumphed in the end. Curiosity might not have killed these cats, but it sure made one of them mad. And if you're curious about my other shows, hit that subscribe button and be sure to check them out. Catch you later. Peace.